John.
Woo, she's warm.
Yeah, he said warm it up, not take it out for a date.
It's been a long winter, Michelle.
Hey, here we go. Hands up. Yep, we're ready.
Go!
Oh,
Oh, wait. She says go.
yeah, I'll say go. Okay, on your mark. Get set. Go! Here it is. World record time, 5.01 seconds. Carving up a wee little bunny.
Look what time, pal, what did I get?
What?
8 seconds, I smashed the record! All right! You need all the media. Get Play Bunny down here.
You need to settle
Get
down.
GQ.
Uh-huh.
I want to thank my mom for dressing me this morning.
Yeah.
His mom for last night.
No, Johnny. What is that?
That's my bunny rabbit, Michelle.
Yeah?
Hey, come on, look, it's got an eye, a nose, 2 little ears, everything.
John, where did you see a rabbit that looked like that, man?
Oh, like I said, on my drive to work this morning. Oh,